Hello scholars, here I am with our chapter 9 diseases, non-communicable and communicable. So this is video 3 and in this video we are going to learn about communicable diseases. So let me ask you the question, are you healthy? If yes, very good. So let's start. Communicable diseases. Scholars, we know there are two types of diseases. One, non-communicable and the second type is communicable. So, which diseases are called as communicable diseases? Let's see. Diseases that can spread from a sick person to a healthy person are called communicable diseases. Scholars, we know that the diseases which do not spread, okay, from a sick to healthy, they are non-communicable, but which spread from a sick person to a healthy person, they are called as communicable diseases. What are the examples of these communicable diseases? Common cold, malaria, pneumonia, etc. Now let's see who is responsible for causing communicable diseases or how these diseases they get spread. So here are the germs which are responsible for these diseases. So these disease causing microbes, they are called pathogens and they are spread from one person to another. So when a communicable disease is spread from a sick person to a healthy person, it means these pathogens they are spread from sick to a healthy person, and these pathogens or these disease causing microbes make the healthy person sick. Now, these pathogens they are spread through various ways, like through dirty air, when someone sneezes in the air, or through unclean water, through infected blood, and with animals like flies, mosquitoes, and rats. So, disease causing microbes called pathogens, they are responsible for these communicable diseases. Now, let's see what are the microbes. Microbes are very tiny living organisms and they are so tiny that they cannot be seen through naked eye. So, just tell me, if someone sneezes, do you see these microorganisms or do you see these pathogens? No, we cannot. Why? Because these microbes, they are very small. So, if we want to see them, we have to see them under microscope. These microbes, they are present all around us. They are present in air, water, inside our bodies, in the soil, in the food, everywhere these microbes are present. All microbes, they are not harmful. Some microbes are useful, whereas some are harmful. There are four main types of microbes. These types are bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoa. These are the four types of microbes. Here in this picture you can see examples of communicable diseases and the harmful microbes which are responsible for causing that disease. Like common cold is caused by virus, malaria by protozoa, pneumonia either by bacteria, fungi, virus or germs, and tuberculosis through bacteria. Scholars, if we want to keep ourselves healthy And if we want to prevent these communicable diseases, we should maintain personal hygiene. Yes, even though these microbes are present everywhere, we can protect ourselves by maintaining personal hygiene. So, what is hygiene? Hygiene is a set of practices that help to maintain cleanliness and good health. Here is the picture. This picture tells us how to keep ourselves hygienic, how to keep ourselves clean. So, we should take a bath regularly. We should brush our teeth twice a day. We should comb our hairs. We should wash our hands before eating. So, these are the sets of practices that we should follow so that we can keep ourselves free from the disease. Now, how to prevent of the disease? Can we prevent these diseases? Of course, yes. There are some measures that we should follow so that we can prevent ourselves from these communicable diseases. First is eating a balanced diet. Yes, balanced food makes us healthy. So the first is eating a balanced diet. Second, communicable diseases can be prevented by keeping the infected person away from others. Yes, now in this COVID pandemic, we know that the person who is suffering from COVID-19 disease, okay, this is also a communicable disease, is it? So, the person who is detected as COVID positive used to get quarantine for 14 days. So, this is one of the ways, fine. So, one way to prevent the communicable disease is keeping the infected person away from others. Third, we should follow personal hygiene and have healthy food habits. Fourth one, our surroundings should be kept clean to prevent the growth of germs. Now, there is one more preventive measure which can help us to keep away from the communicable diseases, and it is by vaccination. Scholars, communicable diseases like cholera, polio and chickenpox, they can be prevented with the help of special substance called vaccines. So what are vaccines? Let's see. Oh, here is some pictures, and these pictures are telling us little baby, okay, giving something, that special substance, through oral drop, through the nasal spray or through injection. So actually these babies or they are getting that special substance called vaccine so that they can be prevented from a particular communicable disease. So, vaccine is a special substance that is used to prevent specific diseases and helps to build resistance in the body. They are given to children at different ages. Vaccines are introduced in the body through mouth in the form of oral drops like polio drops. Till the age of 5 years, your parents, they have given you the polio drops. Yes. So, these vaccines are given in the body through mouth in the form of oral drops, by injections through skin, or even as nasal spray. So, vaccination is also one of the measures to keep away these communicable diseases. So, scholars, I hope you have understood about the communicable diseases and how to keep ourselves fit and away from these communicable diseases by following some good practices and keeping the proper hygiene. So, after watching the video, read page number 91, 92 and 93. After that, write keywords in notebook, and these keywords I'll send you, okay, in the PDF file. And then write words to know in notebook which are on page number 93 of your Science Oxford Advantage book. Okay, scholars? So, follow good hygienic practices, eat balanced diet, be healthy and be happy. Bye bye and take care.